Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Hey, alright, it's your girl Essie Rosee, aka Essentially Glam from Instagram, and I'm back with another tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you guys today how to get this everyday basic makeup look. I do this every day. This is good for if you're going to work, school, or you just want to go out and you don't feel like putting that much makeup on. This is the face I do, so if you want to see how I do my face, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, we're just gonna get on with the video. Hope you enjoy. All right, as you can see, I have my eyebrows already done. My face is prepped. Now all I have to do is just start with my primer. I'm going to use my Too Faced Primed and Peachy primer. It's a matte primer. I have oily skin, so I'm gonna just start with that. So next I'm gonna go with my foundation. I'm gonna be using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. It's in the color 14. I'm gonna use that. It's a little bit darker, but I make it work. So I'm gonna put some of that on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take a flat foundation brush, and I'm just gonna start patting the foundation into my skin. You want to pat because that's how you get coverage. If you're going like this, you're basically just moving the product all around your face and you're not really getting much coverage. That's what I found out. So next I'm going to go on with concealer. I'm going to be using my LA Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. So I'm going to go into highlighting. So I'm going to go right under my eyes. Put some on my chin. And I'm going to put some on my forehead. Now I don't put any on my nose because I like to drag the concealer from under my eye onto my nose. So next you want to take a damp beauty blender. It has to be damp. You cannot blend with a dry beauty blender. It's not gonna work. So let's start blending out under the eye. Still using patting motion. I'm gonna bring it onto the top of my lid. I'm bringing some across my nose, all the way out. You don't want to bring it down because the purpose is to bring light under your eye, not all over your face. Yeah, that's what I found out. Alright, so next I'm gonna set under my eyes with setting powder. I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup setting powders. Continue to use my damp beauty blender. Just tap it into the powder like this, and I'm going to press it into my skin. I don't like to bake or anything like that because I feel like when you take a picture, it's gonna look like you're gonna look like a ghost. So I don't like to do that. So I just like to press the powder into my skin so my skin absorbs the product. And it doesn't matter, it's still gonna set the same way as baking. So I feel like there's no need to really bake. It has to be damp for this or it will not work. You might as well just bake if you're gonna use a dry beauty blender. Alright, now we did our highlight, so now I'm going to go into some contour. I'm going to use my Anastasia foundation stick in the color Cool Earth to contour, and then I'm going to set it with my Black Up contouring powder in the color number 4. I'm going to use the contour stick, and I'm just going to go right under my cheekbone. So you want to feel the bone here, and so wherever the bone stops, that's where your contour stops. You don't want to bring it all the way down because then you're just going to look crazy. want to bring it up into the brow so you can blend it. And sometimes I just like to do my forehead, even though I feel like my forehead's not that big, but I contour it anyway. Alright, so now I'm going to use a dense blending brush. I'm just going to start blending out the contour. So, right. When you're blending out the contour on your cheeks, you never want to pull it down. You always want to bring it up because that defeats the whole purpose of contour. Basically, you just want to create a shadow or an illusion that you have chiseled cheekbones. I'm just going to drag the product down and up into my brow. Yeah, that's what I found out. And I'm going to bring it up into the brow because you don't want a line of demarcation. So you don't want like the contour to start right here. And then that's just going to look crazy. And now we have a contoured nose. So now I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender and just blend everything out. So now I'm gonna go with my contour powder. We'll be using this side to set my contour. Alright, now I'm going to go in with some bronze. I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronzer. That's what it looks like. Don't mind mine. Mine is all broken. I dropped it. Tragedy. So now I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush and just start bronzing around my cheek area and on my forehead. Basically almost the same places you put the contour. So now I'm going to go in with some highlight. I'm going to be using my Artist Couture Diamond Powder in the color Conceited. I'm going to be using a big fluffy fan brush to apply this. So you just want to apply it to the high points of your face. So that's your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose. I like to do some in the center of my forehead and my cupid's bow. See that? Alright, so we're almost done. So I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm going to be using Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. It's my favorite mascara currently. I'm just going to apply some. Yeah, that's what I found out. Alright, I zoomed in so you guys can see how I put on my lashes. I'm going to be applying these. These are currently from my 3D Mink collection, to be announced, you know, coming soon, coming soon. So I'm going to be using my Tarteist Pro glue. So I'm just going to take that. It comes with a wand. So I'm going to take the lash and I'm going to take the glue. I'm just going to apply it to the lash band. I'm going to wait about 10 seconds for it to get a little tacky before I put the lash on. I'm going to take my mirror. I'm going to look down, angled at the mirror so you can see the top of your lash line. And I'm just going to carefully place the lash on top of my lash line. So I'm going to start placing it on the middle, and then I'm going to fix it from either side. Okay, just like that. I'm going to pinch the lashes together so they become one with mine. And that is how you put a lash on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna be using 3 products for my lip. I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay High Shine in the color 1993. I'm gonna be using Anastasia's matte lipstick in the color Dread. It's like a nude. And I'm gonna be lining my lips with NYX lip liner in the color SPL 826. Right, I'm gonna finish off with some setting spray. This is the Lock It Setting Spray by Kat Von D. Let it dry. Alright, that's all for my everyday makeup tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram at Essie Rosee and at essentially.glam. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.